are you a speaker? Do you do a lot of keynote speaking, or maybe you'd like to generate more leads and sales from your speaking events? My name is Stacia Kennedy, and in this video, I want to share with you one tip that has helped me generate leads and sales, actually over $2,500 in sales from one speaking event using this really cool tool. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video again. And here is this one cool tool. Number one, it is a Facebook scan code. So I'm going to show it here, right here on the screen. What I did is basically I put it on my last slide of my screen while I was speaking. I said, if anyone wanted to connect, make sure to take out your phone and scan this code. So you can simply, if you're watching this video right now, you can take out your phone and hit your Facebook Messenger and hit the little home button where it says people, and there's a section where it says scan code, and you can simply open up your phone and scan the code right here on the screen. So I put it at the last slide of my screen. I'm also going to have business cards with it. And what I did is I used this code created by ManyChat. So there is a really cool software called ManyChat. It's free. If you want to use this though, this pro tool, it's a $10 upgrade, $10 a month. And it's so cool because once they scan it, I have an automated message that will message them through Facebook Messenger, and we can start a conversation. So I can have an automated message, and if they have questions or if they want to get more information about what I do, there is a series of questions and links that will be sent to them, and then I can easily follow up with them as well, and I can manually follow up with them if they have specific questions. But it's so cool. I really love it, and it's an automated way when you go to networking events or if you're speaking. This is a really cool tool to be able to follow up, because fortune is in the follow-up. Now I can send them messages following up with them, send them offers or really cool videos that'll help them grow their business. So whatever business you're in, if you're speaking, I would highly recommend using this chat code in different places, whether it's the last end of the screen to be able to connect with them further, or on a business card if you're networking. I really love this tool. So if you want to learn more about how to do this, I'm going to share with you how I created the actual code on my desktop. So let's go to the computer and I'll show you right now. All right, so we're here on the computer. You just go to manychat.com. It's really easy to set up. You just go through the prompts. But in this video, I'm going to share with you the growth tool that I was just talking about, the little code, the scan code. So you go to growth tools and you're going to click new growth tool. And here down towards the bottom left hand corner, this is the Facebook Messenger code. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to name it first here. I'm going to name this my Facebook code example. You can name it whatever you want. And then here is the opt-in message that they would get. So you can click on edit. This is what automatically comes in. You can just go in here, of course, and change the message. You can delete it. Sorry, I have to go to edit message first. So you can delete that. You can leave the PS if you ever want to unsubscribe, type stop. But what I like to do is the first message say something like, hey, it was great meeting you. You can click on this. Right here, there's an emoji sign, and then there's this little curly Q, I don't know what the parentheses with the sign. Click on that. Click on the first name. I like to put in the first name. Hey, there's nothing sweeter than the sound of a first name. So, hey, first name of the person. It'll dynamically fill that in. It was great meeting you at the event. Let me know if I can help you with anything. Below are a few links and with videos or audio posts that can help. And then you can add, you know, whatever your expertise is, maybe links to your blog, links to your YouTube channel. So you can add a button and you can say YouTube. And then you can open into another website, click open in a website, and then you can put in your website to your YouTube channel or to your blog or whatever you want to do. I'm going to put in a link to my YouTube channel. I have a short link to it, and I click done. So that's the first message. You can have a delay. You can put in another message after that. And sometimes I like to put in an image or an emoji, or an image first. Maybe have a boomerang of yourself, or like a GIF before they actually get the message with a delay. Sometimes I do that. Like I can do this where I can grab a GIF. Sometimes I love doing pictures. So we'll find a cool GIF of me and my daughter clapping. And so it's just kind of adding my personality. I can add in the typing, the delay, so it looks like I'm typing. So they would get something like this, and then me typing, and then in the first message, something like that. So I just wanted to show you an example of what you could do. You can click publish after you create the message. Then when you go back to the tool, you click on messenger code. So what I did was I went into opt-in actions, just to back up real quick, and I created what the message that they would receive when they scan the code. Now here I go to the messenger code, and now I can download the image. Now the image is going to pool. I have this connected to my Facebook business page. So whatever your profile image is on the Facebook business page, and this only can be done, you have to have a Facebook business page. Just so to back up a few more steps, you have to have a Facebook business page, and all the messaging would be going back and forth through your Facebook Messenger, not your personal page. So it's going to pull the image that your business page has. If you have a logo, if you have something else, I would highly recommend changing it. If you are the personal brand, I am the personal brand, so it's pulling my photo, so I don't mind. I like this photo, we'll do this, and then we can just click download image, and it will download it into a PNG file, or a PNG image, you know, like a JPEG, but PNG makes it so that the background is transparent. Now I can take that image and I can put it on a business card, or put it on my last slide of the screen. And I just gave people the instructions. Grab out your phone, click on Messenger, and scan the code, and we'll be connected. It was awesome. I had so many people stand up and scan the code. And from that one event, again, I was hired to do some marketing for someone, a one-on-one. I'm a VIP, and made over $2,500, as well as I have more speaking opportunities that I can follow up with. A couple of people who've asked me to speak at their events in their offices. So that is my one big tip on creating more leads at a speaking event or at networking events. I highly recommend doing this. I'm going to be doing this putting them on my business cards, and I think it's a fun new tool. And if you have any questions on how to do this, let me know. But that's pretty simple. Thanks again for watching this video. If you liked that tip, make sure to subscribe and share it out with your friends. Make sure, again, to comment if you're going to use this at your next speaking gig. Thanks for watching this video. Much love and aloha.